What's up, everybody? I just did a 1 hour live build out on my YouTube channel for my go to market strategy that leverages a lot of AI and automation and also project management. So, if you guys want to check that out, head over to the YouTube channel. But in this video, I just wanted to do a quick overview of what we're working on. And what you're seeing in the background is what I'm going to be doing for every single client. So, any new client that I get is going to get 6 different campaigns with different email variations, totaling 24 different emails. And so, like, if I was to onboard 4 new clients, that would be 96 different emails in different industries with different email copy, different lead lists. It's an insane amount of work, but I've operationalized that and automated it using the workflows that I'm going to be showing you. Now, before I click on to the next tab to show you what we're looking at, I want to give you a heads up that this is still in development. So this is not done. This is just where we are at the moment. I'm going to be finishing it soon. And so what it looks like when we onboard a brand new client, we add them over to ClickUp, so new client. And from here, we simply add a bunch of different custom fields. And what this is going to do is send them over to this automation. So once I click create client, it sends them over to this automation, which is my onboarding document. And one of the new automations that I've just created is send information to Clay. And so this is super simple. We grab the company name, company website, and ClickUp ID and send it over into Clay in a table that looks something like this. So we've got all that information over here. And so from here, since we have the company name, company website, um, yeah, I should actually map them out. Yeah, let me just delete these. So since we have all of this information, we're able to use the Clay enrichment to find the company information, right? And from there, once we found the company information, we use ChatGPT to discover the value proposition, discover the pain points, and then send it over into an automation that simply adds the information inside my ClickUp account like this. And so with one client, we've got a unique value prop, unique company overview, and unique customer pain point. All of that information is pulled from this Clay table right here. From there, we're going to go through the onboarding process, which includes creating an onboarding doc. A lot of these things are like automated, right? So like some of these are literally just like move, and some of these move on their own. But anyways, that's besides the point. The point is we're going to reach this status right here, which is modify company overview. And what this is because this is an AI generated value prop overview and pain point, sometimes there's going to be mistakes and sometimes I'm going to have learned things from the client. And so I can simply click on this and modify this value prop to ensure that it's as accurate as possible and perhaps even add some more custom touches. Once I've added that, I click on this next status, which is called create email campaigns. And what this does is it creates email campaigns inside ClickUp. Yeah, it creates email campaigns right here. And this is the automation that accomplishes that. Not this one. So we've got another one. So yeah, save changes. And I think it's called domain. No, campaign. And it's not even created yet. This is a different one. Yeah, that's a different one. Create new task. Yeah, this is the one. So we use this automation right here. We send the information to a webhook, create campaign one, campaign two, three, four, five, six. And this is the data inside it. Like I said, this is in the progress. It's being done right now. So not all of it is done, but the main thing we're trying to map is this client field. So if we're able to map the client field, which in this case right here is a Fonto. So the client is a Fonto. We're able to create 6 different tasks mapped to the same client. And so that's awesome. This is great. And when when looking at the task, so when a brand new task is created, it's going to look like what this campaign 6 looks like. And so campaign 6, actually, we're also going to we already have some automations over here. So SOPs, choose campaign playbook. It simply adds a comment and assigns it over to us. And an assigned comment would look something like this. So it's just like choose campaign playbook. And from here, you simply need to choose a playbook that we're going to be using. So we can use a job posting playbook. We can use a technology playbook, enrichment playbook. And what these are going to do is they're going to send the data over to this automation, which gets the campaign, gets the client, gets the playbook, and using all of this information. So the campaign playbook client, we're able to use AI to generate an email. Right here, there's literally nothing in here. And we're also able to generate another email. So this is automating like this whole process for me. And this is how I'm trying to do this, right? And so some of the email copy with the different playbooks, the playbook descriptions are going to be here. So some of them are going to return custom fields that look something like this, which is AI first line. And we will be modifying those first lines in the section over here. So enrich contacts in Clay, we're going to be building Clay tables with different first lines, and the different playbooks are going to have different assigned comments with different things. But in the case where we chose a job posting playbook, we're going to send it over onto this generate campaign copy. Um, I don't know if it's actually, even if it's active, it doesn't matter. So generate campaign copy. It's going to assign a brand new comment to us. It is active. So where is the new comment? So I think you just gotta wait a second. Actually, there's no new comment. What am I saying? I don't know. Anyways, the new one is going to so this is what the comment history looks like. Just modify campaign copy, because it's going to create these two emails using this automation right here, and then we're going to be sending it over into ClickUp, which is actually the last thing I needed to do. So edit task with custom fields, send the copy over to ClickUp. And so from here, we're going to click onto the next step, which is create copy syntax. So the copy is going to look like this, which is just one email, one email. And so we're going to be able to use to send it over here, create copy syntax, which is going to send it to another automation. This is where we ended, by the way. So we have not gotten past this point just yet, but we're going to be modifying the email copy using syntax. And then from there, we're going to be able to add the campaigns to SmartLead. So we have not done this part yet, but it's super easy. You simply go over to the api.smartlead and you create a campaign. That's it, right? You just create a campaign and you put all of the information in there. And from there, we're going to be building a lead list. And by the way, building lead lists, depending on the playbooks, like I said, we can have different URLs and different things like that. And so this looks complicated, and to be honest, it is. But in actuality, like all you need to really do, like the only thing you need to do, like if you're like a high level person in the lead gen agency, you just need to focus on these these playbooks, right? Once you have the playbooks, you know which playbooks are going to work for which industries. And I'm actually going to be adding different custom fields to allow it to be easier. But all you need to do is just create playbooks. This is already part of everything we do, right? Like the value prop, overview, pain points, that's easy. It's already part of it. And then this, it just helps you operationalize creating campaigns, because if you don't have something like this, it ends up being super hard to do. And by the way, this is what I used to have previously. I used to have this campaigns, which was focused a lot more on analytics as opposed to creating tasks. And so like I could see all of the analytics for my campaigns. I can view how each of these campaigns are performing from like a lead list building perspective. So we see the departments, employees, industries, countries, all that stuff, to ensure that I know what types of leads are going there and why they're succeeding, why they may not be succeeding. So all of this stuff is not going away. I'm going to be integrating all of this stuff here to ensure that this right here is probably just like tasks, right? And then this is analytics. So analytics. Anyways, so it's just another list with analytics, and it would just carry over from everything here. But what I didn't want to have is a simple analytics display. I want to have like a task for tasks for campaigns. But anyways, the video is getting long. Hope this was useful. If it was, leave a like. Leave a like, subscribe, whatever. Have a good day. Bye.